When you take Noni juice, it helps the body to regulate your immune system so that it does not go into the autoimmune disease mood.